In this video, we are going to talk about if October is going to be a recovery month. And also, we are going to dive deep in with SLP. Are we seeing a bullish trend reversal or is this a bull trap? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, we have our free crypto giveaway this coming Monday. So this Monday, ito na yung ating selection ng ating winner for this crypto giveaway. So if hindi pa kayo nakasali guys, you have to check out this video. Makikita nyo dito yung ating criteria on how to join in our crypto giveaway. So you can actually check this video in the description down below, or you could actually check the card na ipapakita ko dito sa taas. Sali lang kayo guys, September 27 na yung ating selection ng winner. So yeah, let's now talk about this October recovery month. Kasi previously, we have been contesting na September is going to be a red month. And right now, we saw that played out exactly. And previously, sinasabi din natin na July and August are going to be a month na dun tayo makakuha ng recovery. Nakita natin siya nangyari. So far, this returns data na ating pinaplot. So, diba, we actually leveraged this average PNL and then we use this average PNL in predicting if we are going to see a recovery month for the coming month or if we are going to see a red month in the coming month. So let's give you a quick recap sa mga ginawa natin noon. Noong June, nakita natin na negative 7% tayo. Pero sabi sa ating average PNL and chart, we are going to see a recovery month for July. Nakita nga natin siya, we went up 18%. And then the following month, sabi natin, di ba, we are going to see less returns for the month of August as compared to July. As you can see din dito sa ating bar chart, August yielded to a lesser return than July. And look at that, it played out exactly as predicted. So we have seen na ating August month yielded to a lesser return than the month of July. So far, our predictive analysis and forecasting for the next data is somewhat accurate pa din as of this moment. And currently, the Bitcoin price is currently in a red month. However, the monthly candle for September is still open, so we are not yet closing this candle. But yeah, as of this moment, I believe now we are at least negative 6% for the time being. At least negative 6% for the month of September. Ngayon, the next question is, what's next for the month of October? Well, if you're going to look at historical data, let's look at this very closely, guys. Look at this nung second bull market year ng 2013. Nung second bull market year ng 2013, we yielded to a higher return for the month of October. Let's look at the 2017 second bull market year. You can actually clearly see na the second bull market year yielded to a higher return for the month of October as compared to September. And then, siguro yung pwede nating pinakamalapit na pwede compare na data is the 2020 bull market year. You can actually see na the month of October yielded to a higher return against the month of September. So, if this is the case, you can actually clearly see na ating average PNL data, average profit and loss chart for the past 10 years. Makita mo yung kanyang average dito na for the month of October, we are going to see a better or higher return as compared to September. It may not be the same as for the month of, siguro let's say July, but as you can see, ang notion natin dito is October is more likely going to be a recovery month if you're going to base it on historical data. So, right now, we have this data telling us na it is more likely na we are going to see a recovery month for the month of October. So, I think maganda na tingnan to very closely, especially if you are investing for the long term and somewhat for the midterm. Kasi of course, October is just around the corner. So, yung mga iba nagsasabi na wake me up when September ends. I think we are going to see a good green month for the month of October. So, yeah, if we're going to base this on historical data. Now, guys, some data models can be wrong, but at least it gives us an idea on what can we expect in the coming months. So this is why we use predictive analysis and data forecasting in determining the succeeding months, especially if we want to know kung ano ba yung mangyayari sa next Bitcoin price actions natin. And if you're going to plot this into a chart, ito average PNL chart, it would actually give you this bar chart wherein the month of October will yield a higher return than the month of September. If we are going to base this, then I think the people who would be buying during the month of September are the one who has the most gains. Yung mga bumili ng September, I think yung may mga pinakamalaking kikitain ngayon dito for the month of October and especially in the coming days. So, the people who stock in the bear market are the one who has the most gains. And of course, bull markets can make you money, but bear market can make you rich. So yeah, that is for the average PNL chart. And if you're going to see an October recovery month, ako personally, honest thoughts ko dyan, tingin ko makita tayo na recovery month for the month of October. So yeah, mataas yung hopes ko doon. But yeah, some data models can be wrong, but at least alam natin yung pwede natin i-expect for the coming months. So yeah, that's Bitcoin price for the month of October. So I think mahalaga na ibigay ko na sa inyo recap ngayon just in case na before na mag-end yung month of September. Kasi of course, at least kahit papano, we are going to be prepared in what might happen for the coming months. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin price in the longer time frame. Now let's look at the Bitcoin price in the shorter time frame. So previously, nagbigay ako ng signal na meron tayong bearish divergence, and look at that, it played out exactly as predicted. As you can see, we saw this increasing price, pero yung RSI is not catching up or it's somewhat declining. So we saw that decline. So right now, I think nagkaroon tayo ng bounce off dito sa ating 44,000 US dollars. As of now, I think ang magandang gawin dito is mag-sit back ka muna with your hodl position and just wait out for the coming movement dito. Not unless mag-form tayo ng bago indicator. So right now, we don't have a clear indicator yet for the early time frame. But I think ang pinakang best strategy sa mga gantong movement, let's look at this in the trading view chart para mas maayos. The best thing na pwede mong gawin during this movement is you would be buying the diff off sa spot wallet for the time being habang wala pang exact movement. Kasi, yeah, you could leverage trade this in future, but the problem is, how sure are you kung is it time to take profit? Well, you could say na you could take profit at the support and resistance area. Some traders would do that. Yeah, you could say na you could take profit at this area. May iba gumagawa nun. May iba ang ginagawa nila is they would try to check the indicators, especially sa RSI. So you could actually use the RSI as a way of taking profit area. But to maximize yung ating biggest opportunity, I don't think na meron tayong malaking opportunity pa for the time being with the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if you want to play it safe, just stick to spot wallet muna and let your hodl position play out. At least meron kang pera na tumataas yung kanyang value. Yun yung importance ng ating hodl position, just in case na wala tayong trade for the short term. Now, that is the safest play, pero you could actually say too, na let's say gusto mo risky ka or risk taker ka. You could actually trade this in futures, but yeah, this is for experienced trader only. And yeah, you could maximize those indicators if gusto mo i-take advantage yung scalping opportunities nito for the very short term. But talking about Bitcoin in the safest way possible, especially sa mga baguhan dito sa crypto space, I think ang pwedeng gawin ngayon as of the moment is to buy every dip and then just let the hodl position play out for you for the time being, since there are still no clear indicators yet for the time being dito nga kay Bitcoin price other than the RSI. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin price. Let's also take a quick look with Ethereum. Kasi kay Ethereum, meron din tayo actually nagpo-form na bearish divergence, and it actually played out exactly as predicted then. So yeah, right now I think altcoins are mostly going to follow Bitcoin kasi nga diba pinakita natin kahapon, the Bitcoin dominance is not increasing or declining. I think it's consolidating. So yeah, I think pretty much the whole crypto market will follow what Bitcoin will do. So yeah, yun yung pwede natin tingnan dito, especially for Axie Infinity. You can clearly see that with Cardano. You can clearly see that with Ethereum, especially with BNB. So yeah, pretty much the same siya for the whole crypto market. So yeah, I highly suggest na you follow Bitcoin first before entering into any trades with altcoins. And last but not the least, let's talk about SLP. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo na nakita na malaking pump with SLP kagabi. But the question is that even considered up as a pump, or is that going to lead us into a bull trap? Well, first things first, I don't think na this is a bull trap. Remember, meron na tayong matagal na pina-follow na indicator with SLP. And tingnan yung video natin kahapon, guys. Diba sabi natin kahapon, we are seeing this pump for SLP. However, we are not yet out of the woods for SLP. As what I have been always contesting, guys, we are only going to flip bullish with SLP if we get daily candle closes above this 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, hindi pa din tayo nag-break. So there are still no confirmations yet if we are going to be bullish. So we actually get a lot of tests at that area multiple times. But look at that. We have not yet broken that area pa. So I'm not expecting SLP to pump as of the moment, not unless magkaroon tayo ng daily candle close above this area. Ngayon, you can actually see na in daily candle close nito can actually be what equated to this area. So you can actually say na in 20-day moving average in the daily time frame would be the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, you could actually follow this 20-day moving average, or you could actually check the 4-hour time frame in order to follow the 100 moving average. But yeah, you get the point na we need to break this resistance na nag-form pa din kay SLP for the past few months na. So yeah, yung pa din yung aking same notion pa din ako dito guys. I'm not expecting a pump, not unless magkaroon tayo ng daily candle close above this area, which you can see in the daily time frame. You can also see that in the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, pretty much the same for all time frames. And yeah, looking at the RSI, you can actually see now it's a good take profit area na nga. If you want to exit Axie Infinity or SLP, it's actually a good time to exit yesterday kasi dun tayo nag-overbought. But yeah, right now, it's not a good buying opportunity nor selling opportunity kasi it's not overbought nor oversold. So right now, we need to wait out for this next move for SLP. But yeah, right now, hindi pa tayo bullish. Kung ako tatanungin nyo. And the charts is saying na hindi pa tayo bullish. So yeah, we are not bullish yet for the SLP price actions. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.